What is up, my dear foodies? This is the Foodie Medico back with another easy recipe video. What makes this egg bhurji so unique, or let's say Bombay style, is the addition of the Pav Bhaji Masala. The Pav Bhaji Masala is very easily available, it's very cheap, and yet it does wonders. If you're still watching this video, then you have got to save it, man. Come on. Now you can enjoy this bhurji with whatever you desire, like a paratha or a toasted bread, or if you want to go full on Bombay mode, you can use some toasted pav. Thank you for watching, my dear foodies. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll be back soon with more such videos. So until next time, this is the Foodie Medico signing out.